In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how the mobile demo machine works. All right, first thing I do in the members area is just launch the mobile demo machine, and then the software is all ready to go, already loaded, just needs your input, okay? So what I did is I went over to Google and I did just a search for landscapers, okay? And a lot of times when I look through these local ads here, I look in the top 10 in the organic to see if anything really piques my interest, like Lawrence Landscape Services. That sounds like more of a private, smaller business. Okay, so that might be one that I want to go after. But I look on the ads section here, and like right here, see, I see Raul Gomez Landscape. That sounds like an independently owned place. Some of them could be, you know, just like corporate owned, and I don't necessarily go after the corporations. I like these small ones. So let me open this link in a new tab. Okay, so you can see here that their website isn't really user friendly, so that's already a red flag. I know this isn't going to be mobile friendly, and what you could do is you can grab this URL and put it right into the Google mobile friendly checker, but you know, I could just tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one as an example here. And I'm going to grab some of these images using a free screen capture tool called Jing. So let me just go ahead, and this is not even a real good logo, but we'll call this Raul logo. We'll save that to my desktop. All right, my goal here is to get these done for you in under 5 minutes. So let me just grab some of these images here, and I try to keep these all the same size. So we'll go with 375, whatever this is, 383 by 306. So let's capture that. We'll call it R1. And we'll grab this second one here. I don't even remember, 383. That's not even going to work because that image isn't going to work right. Let me just capture this. R2. Let me save that to my desktop. See, these images should all be exactly the same size, but it may not work out perfect just because of the way the images are laid out. So let me grab that. R3. Alright, so I grabbed a few images. We'll see how those look. And you can see the color scheme is just basically like green. He's got grass and green stuff here. I could probably use some of these images too if I wanted to. I could just grab these. Alright. So let me go back to my demo machine. We're going to call this, this is Raul Gomez Landscape. All right. Let's upload a business logo. And we're going to find our logo, Raul logo. We'll use that, even though it's not that good. For this, I'm going to use those 3 images that I grabbed, so I think they're right here. There's the first one. And we'll grab the second one. You see how easy this is. Just browse, hit the next button. Let me browse for that last one. There it is. All right, hit next. Now, YouTube ID, I mean, we could go to YouTube and find a landscape video, a commercial, something like that. You know, I mean, it could be anything. It could be something that you can compare to, so that you can tell them, look, I could create something just like this for you also. You can add their business phone number. That's this number here. put that in there. You want no spaces in here, no funny characters. So let's get rid of those. So that's going to create a tap to call. Now our header color, we'll go ahead and leave white, but we'll make most of the template a green color. So we'll use that, and then we'll keep white for the background. The content will stay black, and the footer, we'll just go ahead and use green because we want it to match. But you know, there's really not a whole lot going on here. So they'll see their sliders, they'll see their logo. Okay, so let's create our basic demos. Now I did go a little bit over because I kind of goofed on the on grabbing these pictures, but you get the idea. It took me about 5 minutes just to find, and while I'm talking through this video. So we'll let that download here. Let me make a new folder on my desktop called Raul Demos. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump all of these new websites that I built. I'm going to put them in that folder. Look at that. I have 15 different styles. Let me just Control A. And I'm just going to drag those over to my Raul folder. And 15 different sites that I can now show this prospect. And it took me 5 minutes. All right. I can call him. I can ask him, you know, let him know, look, this is what I do. I found that you do not have a mobile-friendly site. I'd like to send you some examples. And then you can just email them. It's really easy to do. But let me show you what some of these look like. All right, got those all ready. Now I'm just going to click on these, and I can show you what these websites look like. All right, and this is what I'd be showing Raul on my mobile device. Let me raise that a little bit for you. Okay. There's the first one. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you know, there's the video there, and you can tell them, look, I'm going to replace this with a video about your business, and this is what I charge for videos. Here's the button version. Okay, look how that looks. Nice icons there. Let's go with the clean version. Show you how that looks, and look at how it's got all personalized information. It's got Raul Gomez landscape in there. It's got his own phone number. I mean, you could show him that, you know, you hit this button here, it's going to Skype. It's opening my Skype on my computer, but on my phone it would go right to his number, right? I mean, how great is that? Let me show you some more examples. We got the Fin sample. Look at that. We show him how to integrate social media. We've got the Square sample here. Look at how that looks. Really nice templates created in about 5 minutes. All right, guys, I hope you can see the value in creating these demo sites for your prospects. All right, and then once you're done with this, once Raul says, hey, I'm ready to I like this one, you know, if he chooses this one, then what you have are the full-on mobile builders all built into your software here. So he wants the basic static image one. He's not into the video. That's fine. He wants the button one, real simple and easy. You make him his website right here, and you charge him, and you're done. All right. We have all these different these software pieces all integrated into the members area. This is a great product to pick up. Hit the buy button at the bottom of this page, and we'll see you in the inside. Take care.